Welcome back, DIYers. In today's video, we're going to check out some of the best deals going on at Harbor Freight's Cyber Monday sale. So let's dive in. So to get us started here, we see Cyber Monday sale is going on right now. It does end Monday, December 2nd, so you got to be quick on these. A couple big deals we see. We saw some of these in store right here, the 40% off all of these sprayers, brushers, and rollers. So if you need any type of sprayer, especially in the Avanti series here, 40% off is a great deal. Recommend you go and check that out. This is in-store only, so remember that. Same thing with the Braun lights, in-store only as well. We saw these again on sale. You can go and grab those, 40% off, great deals on those right there. Again, whether you're looking for some shop lights, work lights, or flashlights, this is a great option for you. You're going to be able to save some money and, again, get some great deals on that. Then also 40% off Icon socket sets. Again, also in-store only. You can see all the different ones. We have a bunch of different options here, all kind of rows and rows of socket sets. Icon is a great brand. They do a really good job, and I know a lot of people have recommended going to them. And so I know a lot of my mechanic friends have actually started buying Icon options right now. So you get to save 40% off of this, again, in-store only as well. Going on a couple more things I recommend. This is a great generator, Predator. It makes a great brand. Again, right here we see get to save $300 off of this one. We also have the Badlands Jack for $250. Good one on that. Then we have the US General 30-inch 5-drawer mechanics tool cart. Get to save $90. You can see this, all the different colors they have right there. So whatever color you might be interested in. I know a lot of people were excited about some of these new colors and checking those out. So that's great. Then, again, we see another option right here for the Bauer high impact wrench. So if you need one of those, you can grab one for $130. Get to save $30 on that. Always great to grab some of these ratcheting tie downs, $5, and then some batteries here for $370. Again, another great setup. We saw a lot of batteries on sale. You can check all of these out right here. So check those and see if you're interested. Again, a lot of these are in-store only. You can see some of these right here are add to cart. So if you are able to go, you can grab some of those deals. But if you want, you can also grab them for your cart. We saw some moving blankets. Check that one out. Also the grinder here for Warrior brand. Hard to beat that at $10. We saw the ammo box. A couple different options for ammo box, but $3 for that, 50% off. It's great. Ratcheting jack stands, $25. Another Franklin ladder here for $100. A couple cool things I like. This jump starter and power bank. Love these. Recommend you keep them in your car. A little welder here for $125, and it goes well with this welding table, $150. Another good option for that. A couple Pittsburgh options. Get a torque wrench. So whichever size you might need, you can check these out. All for $12. Good prices on those. I recommend dollies. Save your back. I've used mine a lot. These are great. Again, 1,000-pound options right here. So good one for that. $13. A great little option right here for a wall mount for a television. I do like this single stud option here. I've used a bunch of them where they might have like two, and that works pretty well, but I love this one, especially in my house. You can place this on the stud, and it's nice because normally the TV will kind of cover everything back here, so it works out really well, and you can even kind of move this around, so that's nice. Couple fun little options here. Magnetic parts holder, 89 cents. Towel shops. Wow, shop towels. There it is for $7, 50% off of that. A couple tarps. I do love these fastener kits. I probably need to grab me one. My truck's old, and I need to fix a few of these that are just kind of hanging off the door and different stuff. So $10 for that one. Got some more Pittsburgh options here. $9, $10 on that. And then a light, and here's the other ammo can, metal ammo can for $10 there. Couple good generators, again, Predator options, multiple different options here, 95, 100 watt, super quiet. So whichever one you might be interested in, check these out. And also the 5500 inverter generator as well for $600 there. I like this auger right here. This is something I've definitely looked at, trying to think if I could use this and what project I could work on. 180. Another, again, 3500 watt. We saw that earlier. A couple different engines. So if you need some engines, you can check those out. Garden hose, $30. Pretty good. We saw this $17.50. Electric pressure washer, 65 bucks. And then also the pole saw, cool pole saw right there for Portland as well. And then also the rifle case here for $100 on that one. You can grab a cabinet, security cabinet or safe. I like this utility cart here, $150. And then I have a little hand truck very similar to this one, works extremely well. I use it all the time for 50 bucks right there. Also, if you need the multi-purpose scaffolding, $190, it saves 60. Some string lights, and then even this little working platform for 25 bucks. Utility knives, always great to have some of these. Little white or pneumatic tire with white hub here, 5 bucks. Something I didn't see in the store, fiberglass axe, 7 bucks right there. Another tarp, I mean 3 bucks for a tarp. That's great. I probably need to grab that. And then drill bits, 10 bucks here. Always great to have some zip ties. Never know where you're gonna miss those. And then a couple other options. We have the 4-piece drive impact socket extension set, $7. Yukon storage cabinet right here, 300 bucks. Great option. Again, just working in the shop. Then the U.S. General triple bank rolls cab, Series 3, $1,400 there. Pittsburgh as well has a couple of their tool sets, mechanics tool sets, and then even this little small cart here for 60 bucks. If you're going to be using that, great idea. Pittsburgh also has some of their wrenches. You can check some of these out. Quinn, it's more 428 piece for 300 bucks. A couple other tools, a couple other options right here. Another magnetic holder for the U.S. General. If you have one of those, might as well just get you a magnetic holder as well for $2. Great price. Some other small tools, little funnels and little organizers, Hall Master, hitch pin. Then we have, again, just some other small stuff, little hammer here. I like these. This is a great thing to keep in your pack. 3-piece hex key set. More ratcheting jack stand, 6-ton here for Daytona. A couple other options for those. The little creepers, grab those for 20 bucks. And then also the roller seat for 20 bucks as well. Another storage option here for Icon, 70 bucks. Shop cranes, great things there. Little portable car canopy. Somebody sent me one of these to review. I like it. It worked really well. I'm still having it in my yard right now, 180. And then a couple other options with those. The Badlands winch. These are always a big hit. 100 bucks off of that. Check that out. A couple different welders as well here. And then a couple of different other, items. Some little cutoff wheels. Hercules deal right here. Good brand. One of their top brands, 207. Drywall sander, 100 bucks. We see some more smaller deals. Wheel chock here for 4 bucks. Infrared thermometer, $11. Good price on that one. Another Badland option here, the bigger option for right under $500. Hercules bandsaw, 90 bucks. Earthquake XT, 80 bucks. Get to save $40 off of that. Also some gloves. They had different sets of gloves. So that's a good one. McGraw here, 3-gallon compressor, the hot dog style for $50. McGraw, the pancake style here for 50 bucks as well. Then some more items. You can see a bunch of these. Just trying to run through them as fast as we can. Just grabbing a bunch of deals because I want y'all to be able to grab these. Permanent markers. Everybody's doing these. 96 cents. Great deal on that. Hercules bag here, 15 bucks. Also the vertical shop compressor, $200 here. I do like this little rotary tool, 40-piece, 35 bucks. Great deal on that one. Bauer sander, another good deal on that. Then we have a couple other items. Automatic microprocessor battery charger. Extension cord, always great to have plenty of these. Another jumper, so check that out. And then also the other air compressor as well. Again, I think this is a great deal on Chicago Electric 10-inch miter saw. Pretty good deal. Metabo is also for 99 bucks at Home Depot or Lowe's, So this is another good option for that. Comparable price. Bauer reciprocating saw, 35 bucks. Great for that. Also Bauer impact wrench, another good deal. See a couple more options right here. See another TV mount, 18 bucks, and also another compressor here from McGraw, couple more options. Again, rolling toolbox, super popular this year, 45 bucks. Hercules 12-inch saw, $2.99. Pretty good option there. Oscillating tool here from Bauer, 35 bucks. Good deal. A couple other options. Great time to grab batteries. Best time to grab batteries is right now during Cyber Monday stuff. Saw these Pittsburgh 70-piece screwdrivers, 20 bucks. Good deals. See a few more options. Again, you don't use these often, but 10 bucks, great deal on that one for Warrior. A couple other small deals, small options you can see. And then we have a few more items. The disposable towels, also 31-inch folding sawhorse here. 10 bucks, hard to beat that. I've seen a bunch of folding sawhorses, probably the cheapest one I've seen there. Overall, there are some good deals going on right now at the Cyber Monday sale at Harbor Freight. You can go check these online or run to the store real quick to try to grab some of these deals. Let me know in the comments what you plan on grabbing, and I'll see you in the next video.